Look who it is, our favorite man in the entire world. Our truck drivers. There he is. It's like Santa Claus coming in. Look at all the new inventory we just got dropped off. Oh, okay, guys. New 2022 Civics are here, officially. Get a closer look at these bad boys. Ah! That's the man. The man with the plan, our truck driver. Oh yes. Here they are, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2022 Civics. Wow. Yeah, new car shortage. Not right now. We're doing pretty well. Please come on in to Milton Martin Honda. We have cars. Brand new, gorgeous ones. Ready for you. Thanks, truck drivers. We love you.